2018 Honda Odyssey provides incredible family function, flexibility, and comfort to keep everyone in the family happy. It starts with an all-new multi-slide secondary seating system that provides seating solutions that are every day. The multi-slide seating is front to back, Honda developed a audio system inside nerve cells and features that will keep everyone in the family happy. Or the line hopping and training.